Today I am going to share about the topic achievement test. The teaching itself is all enough for the teachers. It also very important to know how to assess the students. For that purpose, teachers must be able to develop achievement test. So we discuss about the achievement test and its construction. Before that, achievement test is used to measure the degree of mastery of skills, fundamental concepts, process, and general knowledge of the specific subject attained by the student. And the achievement test is valued when it can measure the extent to which the purpose which it has been constructed. So, focus how much person to know the specific topic or the subject. And definition, any test that measures the attainments and accomplishments of an individual after a period of training or learning. One more definition, assessment designed to measure knowledge and skills. On achievement test, we assess general knowledge and skills are those related to particular school subjects. So this is the focus, the main, the students, how to understand the specific subject or chapters and objectives. Here, the objectives of achievement test is measure some aspects. One is what a person has learned to know or do, that is monitor the students learning and identify the learning difficulties. What are the difficulties in a specific chapters or the subjects? Identify the problems, and then teachers use achievement tests to measure the attainments of their students. So test covering a particular topic or chapter and basically used in the classrooms. Whatever students have learned to measure, and achievement test design students how much learn the topic and subjects. And functions of achievement test, it provides basics for promotion to the next grade. It helps in determination about the placement of the students in a particular section and to motivate the students before a new assignment has taken up, and to expose students difficulties which the teacher can help them to solve. So assessment of attainment of starter goal and a specific concept, and then objectives. So consider the classroom performance as a whole and assess each and every student, and to provide motivation to a students. That means given reinforcement. So next one is construction of achievement test. One is planning the test. Here, in this part, we have to determine the maximum time and maximum marks. Time and marks. For example, 1 hour test or 15 minutes test, 30 minutes test, and maximum marks 50 marks or 100 marks. Whatever maybe you have to design. Well planned and systematic manner. And this maximum marks, nature of the test, and maximum, that means scoring, level of the grade. For example, 11th standard for the 3 hours, or lower class 9th standard for 1.5 hours. So that is a maximum marks and maximum time. And the next one is determining the design of the test. Here, design, that means a weightage to content. Design of a particular test, weightage to your content, weightage to objectives, weightage to form of questions, and weightage to difficulty level. That is a design of the test. You fixed the particular topic, any two or three chapters, and design means how to design given a weightage of a marks. That is a weightage to a content, objectives, and the form of questions and difficulty level. So see, weightage to content. I chose a topic: banking, warehouse, and channels of distribution. Banking for 22 marks, warehouse for 18 marks, and channel of distribution for 10 marks. Total 50 marks is the weightage of the content. Next one, weightage to objective. For knowledge level, understanding level, application level, and skill level. So knowledge for 15 marks, understanding 18 marks, application 10 marks, and skill for 7 marks. Third one, weightage to question type. Here objective for 20 marks. Objective, in this part objective, choose 10 marks, fill in the blanks 5 marks, one word answer 5 marks, total 20 marks. Short answer 15 marks. Each question carried 3 marks, 5 questions 15 marks. Very short answer, each question for 2 marks, 5 questions 10 marks. And essay question, 1 question for 5 marks, total 50 marks. That is a weightage to question type. And weightage to the difficulty level. Easy questions 20 marks, average questions 20 marks, difficult 10 marks, total 50 marks. See that is the see. So determining the design of the test. So third steps, preparing the blueprint of the test. Preparing the blueprint of the test. Blueprint is a 3-dimensional chart giving the placement of the objectives, content, and form of questions. In the form of questions, that is the knowledge, understanding, and application and skill. So, for example, see the picture and wait a minute. I share the model questions. Model questions, pedagogy of commerce and accountancy. Write the name of the school. For example, MAVM Higher Secondary School. Whatever, how to is a school. Name of the school. Name of the guide teacher. Name of the student teacher. Name of the student. Class and section. Subject. Units. Maximum marks. Time. And next, choose the correct answer. Part A, 10 marks. Choose the correct answer. You see the 10 questions. And Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks, 5 marks. Each one 1 mark. And the third Roman letter 3, answer in 1 word, 5 marks. So total objectives 20 marks. And next one, part B. Part B, short, very short answer. That's the answer, 1 or 2 sentences. 5 into 2, 10 marks. And part C, 5 questions, each one carried 3 marks. 5 into 3, 15 marks. Part D, essay question. 1 question, there is no choice. 1 question for 5 marks. Okay. Next part, you see, weightage to content. This is a design of the test. Already seen, no? So weightage of content, weightage to objectives, weightage to question type, weightage to difficulty level. So second steps, third steps is blueprint preparation. And fourth step, answer key, scoring key. In this part, the paper setter write items according to the blueprint. The difficulty level has to be considered while writing the items. And it should also check whether all the questions included can be answered within the time allotted, and it is advisable to arrange the questions in order to their difficulty level. There is the points, key points understand in this answer key. And next step, question wise preparation of the scoring key. This is the preparation of the scoring key. And the next one, question wise analysis. See, in this part, knowledge level, understanding level, application and skill. So consider the objectives. Here the question wise analysis. See, 30, how much questions? 24, 31 questions. And the very short answer. These are the model questions. I hope this is very useful to our students. Thank you, students.